Hey guys, so I just filmed a look on this like leopard print kind of smoky eye vibe. So if you want to know how I did this, keep on watching. We're starting out priming the eyelids with the MAC Painterly paint pot just to get a nice tacky base. And the palette we're going to be using today is the Morphe 350, or you can use any brown eyeshadow palette. This is just what I had on hand. And I was using a lighter shade, and we're just using that as a transition shade in the crease for right now. Slowly building that up. And once I'm happy with that, I was going in with just a little bit darker of a shade. Both of these are like a light, warm brown tone. I was going for more of like a warm tone, like just a very subtle smoky eye, because what we're doing later, I couldn't make it too dark because then what we're doing later wouldn't show up too well, so. And then on the eyelid, I was using this matte, like a cream kind of color, and just putting it all over the lid. I didn't want to do any shimmer or anything. I thought a matte would be the best for this look. Or of course, I mean, you could do a shimmer if you wanted to, but. And then I was going with this like little bit lighter of a brown, and we're starting to build up the outer crease. Just give it some dimension. I'm not really sure what the exact shade names are. I just know that this is the palette I was using. And I was just very softly with a fluffy brush blending that back and forth just until I was happy with it. And I would check and see if I wanted more pigment, and then in the outer corner just softly blending it up. I wanted this to be a really soft, like elegant look. And then I was going in with my finger, just adding some more of that beige color. And I'm doing my liner right now. This is the Anastasia Creme, what is it called? Waterproof cream color is what they call it. It's basically a gel eyeliner. And I'm using a Morphe liner brush. And we're doing the eyeliner first before we do the design, just so I know exactly where I want to place everything. So I went in with that. I've been really liking using the gel liner lately. I feel like it gives you a lot of control. If you guys want an in-depth liner tutorial, let me know in the comments down below, and I would be more than happy. I was thinking about doing one anyway, but. Alright, and then after the liner, I took this little flat brush and this dark color, and I was kind of adding some spots to etch out where I want to put my spots. I looked up a leopard print, and I was kind of studying the patterns a little bit before filming, and then I was kind of trying to give myself an idea of where I wanted to put it. So I put the brown spots down, and I took the same eyeliner I used to do my liner. That's the Anastasia gel liner and this Morphe brush, and I was etching out different leopard prints, and I was trying to make them kind of more random, not like each one the same. Some of them had more of like a U shape where they weren't like a complete circle, and some of them had like the edges done. So after looking at the spots for a little bit, I was just like, okay, here's what I want to do. So with each brown spot, I was just going around with different shapes that I saw. So I had the U shape, I'd had like 2 spots. And in between the big patterns, there were a couple little dots. So I was like, oh, I think that would look really good. And I love the 3 dots there. I saw that in one of the patterns. And of course, you could take this and do the entire lid with it. I don't know. The idea I had was like for the leopard print to be the smoky eye, I guess. And you can add as many dots or in between, like, to your heart's content. So the lashes that I decided to pair these with this like eye look with, these are from Black Moon Cosmetics, and they're in the style Cancer, and they are super super cute and wispy. They have like a longer outer corner, so they're really cat eye. I'm going for like a feline kind of feel to this. Once the lashes run and I'm comfortable with them, oh, they just look so good with this eye look. And I love the matte with the little shimmer in the inner corner. Oh man, here is how it turned out. I was so obsessed with this. Oh girl, it was the bomb. I don't know. I think a little bit of inner corner liner would have made this look really cute too, but alright guys, so that was the video. I used the Morphe 350 and then I used this Anastasia waterproof cream color. It's like an eyeliner with a Morphe M250 brush, and then the lip combo is that Colourpop lip liner in Grunge and that NYX lipstick in Abu Dhabi. I used it in the sunflower tutorial I did, and then these lashes are by Black Moon Cosmetics and they're in the style Cancer. They're kind of like more wispy, like longer on the outside, and I thought that looked really good. I was going for like more of like a feline kind of vibe. And there's a couple of things you could do, like you could do some liner on like the inner corner, like a point, or if you're going all out leopard print for Halloween, you could do like leopard around the temple or something. But yeah, I just thought this was like a really cute little look. I had the idea for it, so I had the time to film it today, and I was like, okay, we're doing it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!